Soros Management Fund. So Mr. George Soros is getting into the BTC game, trading BTC. I don't really know what nature he's trading BTC. So I think Pomp made a comment on whether that's a good thing or a bad thing. Could go cut both ways, because he's obviously, he made his gazillions off of shorting. I think he was shorting the pound back in I don't remember when, but I think he basically was shorting that currency, and he fucking just made a mint out of it. So, what are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not too familiar with the details, but again, to me, this is just another example out of the hundreds we've seen in the previous times that institutions are in. They clearly see the value. And it's simple as that. So it's kind of like, if you still don't believe in blockchain, then you better do more homework, because one of the smartest and richest people are getting in.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Publicly, anyway. I'm sure he's done his homework prior to now, but
of course.
yeah. Oh, we could so go down a rabbit hole with this one. But yeah, you're right. You're right. Positive, at least short term, positive indicator. Institutions getting in, money's coming in from left, right, center. Immediate downstream benefit for the space, for the industry. So not complaining, but you always sort of go in your head like, what is it? Sometimes it's like, what do I know that they don't know, or what do they know that I don't know? And so when you have some of these big players coming in, I'm just kind of like, okay, they're not dumb people, right? Maybe they didn't understand some of the facets of this technology, and they're slowly, or they're quickly catching on. And then in the back of my mind, I'm like, well, what kind of evil plans are they cooking? Because I think
They're
rightly or
always
wrongly,
evil, right?
I know,
Yeah.
just rightly or wrong, a little bit cynical, right? Because I mean, some of these guys
Yeah.
have benefited greatly from basically fucking up the market. I mean, they've been rewarded for that, and
Yeah.
yeah. So I don't. Again, I said short term good. We'll see. We'll see how it all plays out.
Yeah.
Woo. Okay. You know what? I think we're going to keep it to another short episode today. We've covered a little bit there. I think you and I are both just exhausted. So we've got some bite-sized nuggets. Um, any closing thoughts before I wrap it up with just some final announcements?
I think I don't want to give it all away, but MC Liquid, we did have new DJs join, right? We just onboarded one
Yes,
today. So it
correct.
is just the two of us, on these, but sooner rather than later, you're going to start seeing more people with like different mindsets, different perspectives. So yeah, the community is growing.
Yeah, man. Great call. Great way to fucking bring that to the foreground. I'm excited. The more DJs we bring on board, the better we can spread the message. Spread the gospel of CDs and DJs and sort of these ideas that we're all sort of experimenting with. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped, man. Great comment. So yeah, more announcements to be made there as we grow the team, community, new ambassadors, and so yeah, so that's fucking thank you. Fair point.